Thank you to Legacybox for sponsoring. More on them later. Autumnal pleasures start this way. The clink of dishes, the flower bouquet, sweet apple tea time, summer falls away, and we dance into the leaves. Autumnal pleasures sing to me, with crisp fall mornings, endless cups of tea, with cozy sweaters, lots of poetry, as we dream beneath the eaves. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to The Daily Connoisseur. Did you enjoy my poem? I wrote it for you to celebrate the fall equinox. Changing out the dishes in the china cabinet always heralds in the new season, and now that the spode woodland is in its rightful place, I truly feel that fall is here. I'm going to share an easy and delicious fall dessert that your family will love. Apple crepes. Okay, they're technically not crepes at all. These are more like burritos or even enchiladas, as you'll see, but they have the same effect for less effort. You're going to take 6 flour tortillas for this recipe. Fill them with a generous dollop of apple pie filling. And sprinkle that with some cinnamon. Then you roll up the tortilla like a burrito and place it seam side down in a greased baking dish. Think about this like making enchiladas. Do the same procedure with your other 5 tortillas. Then, in a saucepan over medium heat, combine a half cup of brown sugar, a half cup of white sugar, and a half cup of water, along with 1/3 cup of butter. Bring this to a boil and then lower the heat and continue to stir for 2 to 3 more minutes. Then pour the sugar mixture on top of your filled tortillas and sprinkle with more cinnamon. You're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. I placed it under the broiler for the last few minutes, but my son came to show me his watercolor, and I got so excited looking at it, I forgot they were under the broiler, and they got a bit burnt. So really watch them if you're going to use the broiler at the end, and don't allow them to be there for more than 2 minutes. Even though they were crispy, they were still so good. The kids loved these. I cut them in half, drizzle more sauce on top, and serve them with vanilla ice cream and a cup of tea. I'm eating them on top of the Huddleston table linens here. Aren't they so beautiful? This is one of the easiest fall desserts you could possibly make. By the way, here's my son's watercolor. Isn't it beautiful? It was totally worth me checking it out and burning the dessert. And now let me share my outfit with you. I always include a Breton striped shirt or two in the extras of my 10-item wardrobe year-round. It's a classic French look that was made popular by Coco Chanel, and I love it. This long-sleeve boating shirt is from Merci. It has a very thick fabric, so it's perfect for cooler weather. They have it in navy stripe and red stripe, and this year I chose the red. I love the pocket detail. I'm wearing it with the Everlane way-high jeans and the Thursday boot ballet flats. This locket necklace was a gift from Ben for my birthday, and my earrings are by Zoe Lev. When the weather gets chilly, I'll probably pair this with the blue wrap sweater. I'd like to take a minute to tell you about Legacybox, who have kindly sponsored this video. I always say that they're one of my favorite sponsors to work with because their product has been so meaningful to me. Legacybox is the easiest and safest way to preserve your family memories. Trusted by over 1 million families, Legacybox digitizes your old media footage like VHS tape, film, etc. If you have it, they can digitize it. Memories that you thought you would never see again. Most people have these in a box and wonder what to do with them. Well, this is what you do with them. Each kit includes everything you need to safely pack and send your recorded moments. I packed up this box of old VHS tapes and they digitized them for me. Scenes from my high school plays, my college classes, short films I did, even footage from when I was a teenager. It's amazing to see this older footage of myself, and Legacybox was able to preserve this for me. I almost lost this footage forever, so I'm so grateful to them. So click my link below to get 55% off your Legacybox when you enter my code Jennifer Scott at checkout. I hope you'll try them. You won't be disappointed. To continue the celebration of the fall equinox, I thought I'd arrange a quintessentially fall bouquet. It's quintessential because of the colors. These deep burnt oranges and yellow hues remind me of the leaves that are falling to the ground. While I arranged this bouquet, I thought I'd share some famous autumnal quotes with you. Elizabeth Barrett Browning wrote in the autumn, "Go, sit upon the lofty hill, and turn your eyes around, where waving woods and waters wild do hymn an autumn sound. The summer sun is faint on them, the summer flowers depart. Sit still, as all transformed to stone, except your musing heart." George Eliot wrote, "Is not this a true autumn day? Just the still melancholy that I love, that makes life and nature harmonize." Virginia Woolf wrote in The Lighthouse, "And all the lives we ever lived, and all the lives to be, are full of trees and changing leaves." Here's one that I know you're going to love. "It's the first day of autumn, a time of hot chocolatey mornings and toasty marshmallow evenings, and best of all, leaping into leaves." Winnie the Pooh from Pooh's Grand Adventure by A.A. Milne. And finally, this is one that made me think the most. It's by Kaala. "Autumn teaches us the beauty of letting go. Growth requires release. It's what the trees do." Don't you love that? My bouquet is finished and ready to grace the dining room table. And now I have a few letters to write. I find that the more letters I write, the more I want to write them. And also, not surprisingly, the more letters I write, the more I receive. It's that law of giving and receiving, isn't it? The more I give, the more I receive. It's truly a beautiful law. Anyway, I have several pen pals, friends I write to on a regular basis. We keep ourselves abreast of what's going on in our own lives. We share our joy. We share our pain. We share the mundane things and the exciting milestones. I recently found an old box of letters from my youth at my parents' house. Letters that were written to me by family, friends, and new acquaintances. Some I had forgotten I received. Rereading them was incredible, so much more special than an email. I'm so glad I have those letters preserved. And I can tell you that even as an adult, the thrill of receiving a letter in the post box has not gone away. I don't think it ever will. I have a pen pal program in my YouTube channel memberships if you'd like to find a like-minded pen pal who shares your interest for beautiful living. I'll leave the link to my membership down below. We currently have over 800 of you writing letters to each other from all across the world, which is amazing. And now, dear friends, it's time to seal this letter and send it off. Happy Fall Equinox, friends! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Legacybox for sponsoring. Click my link below to get 55% off your Legacybox when you enter my code JenniferScott at checkout. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.